Open Lightroom, then click on File, go to Import Photos and Videos, browse your folder and your file, then click on Import. Once the image is loaded, press Z on your keyboard, or you can simply double tap to zoom in, or press Z to fit the screen. So now this is my image. Click here, there is an option Library, in which you have your collection of images. Develop tab, here we will do the actual work of editing. This is my navigation tab, those are my presets that we will be using here. Snapshot, this is history. If something goes wrong, then you can always come back to your history and choose the previous one. Click the preset, choose Lightroom effect preset, and according to your need, choose heavy, light, or medium. In my case, I'll be choosing medium. Simple double click here. To the right side, use basic options. Click here and you will be getting multiple options here: tone curve, color, black and white, hue and saturation labels, split toning, detail, lens correction, transform effects. So many effects are there. Just come up and try the basics here. This is your temperature control. Do not make it too high. See, the image is getting exploded, or do not make it too slow. If you're not sure, just come back and go to history and you'll always get your options here. We were here to the original one. There we are. And I simply change this tint a little bit, and let's decrease the temperature a little slow. You can see the colors are now being separated. This is exposure and this is highlight. When I change this, you'll see both are coming together, and apart from that, this is also getting changed. So here it was 0 0, that is my default image. Just come down, there is an auto option. If you click here, this will automatically readjust your brightness, and to come back, simple press Ctrl Z. Here I will be using my own presets, so simple little increase the exposure. In my case, the image was clicked on dark light, so I'm making it a little expose. Yep. And contrast, if you're increasing the exposure, make sure you decrease your contrast. Make it to the perfect level. Those are highlights. If you want to highlight, those are the shadows, white labels, those are black labels. Okay, I don't want to change the temperature. Slightly down. There are clarity, vibrance, and saturation. See, this is my blurred image, and the image is clear. See, this is my original image actually, and I'm making this more clear. Zoom on it, and you see the images are now clear. See, this was 0. This was my image without the clarity. This is blurred, and I made the clarity to the maximum. There you see the images are clear. Make some saturations, decrease it. In my case, I'm decreasing it. Little bit of vibrance, hardly 2 or 3. Do not overplay, simple. Yes, the clarity is 100% now. click this camera calibration. If you don't have a VR or AFS lenses, you'll need to adjust the calibrations here. If you have your VFS and VR lenses or AFS lenses, then you don't need to change the settings here. This was color, and this made the image to black and white color or black and white. And to export it, come back to library and then click on export. There is your folder name, untitled export. Simple, export it. If you see something like this, if you want to overwrite, you overwrite or use the unique names. See, this is my dark image which I turned into the clear one. This is dark and this with the brightness and exposure edited. If you want to check another one with the temperature control, this image I used with temperature control and exposure only. This is my original image with a low exposure and a very bad lighting. This is original image. This I change it to the normal one. This is original, this is with exposure edit, and this is with exposure and camera edit.